More than half of executives cited higher product quality as the most noticeable change in customer expectations. And actually, 55% of our US-based survey respondents said that. So definitely rising demands for product quality from our customer base. I think meeting quality expectations is a key differentiator for new contracts and for long-term growth. And so it's something our clients have to invest in. Our clients talk a lot about how there's a lot of opportunity to leverage technology and software and automation to implement efficient and kind of self-managing QA processes. So it's a great way to improve productivity, but maintain or potentially even improve profitability. Almost half of executives also cited faster delivery as another one of the most noticeable changes in customer expectations, in addition to product quality. And I think this isn't new this year, but buyers, even in B2B contexts and in complex manufacturing capacities, are expecting Amazon-like speed and real-time transparency and customization. So the right partners can enable faster lead times and on-demand production and kind of full supply chain transparency. So I think finding those partners is ideal. Over 70% of our executives in our survey, actually 80% in the US, are in process with or have completed some reshoring of at least some of their facilities. So I think building out that supply chain resiliency and expanding your partner base can speed up delivery timelines for specific product lines. Yeah, 8 out of 10 companies raised prices at some point in 2025, and about the same anticipate they'll raise prices again in 2026. So this is largely driven by increases in raw material costs and energy costs, but this can be a difficult conversation. Even though our customers are aware of those hurdles, they often accept the increases. Over 60% of our executive respondents noticed experiencing resistance during these conversations. So it's a tough combo. Our clients say the best way to approach these are just transparency, clear communication about the market factors impacting the costs that can really drive trust with your current customer base. I think also focusing on differentiating factors, the quality and speed we've been talking about, can further justify the price increases. Almost a third of manufacturing leaders said strengthening customer relationships and service levels is one of their top strategic priorities for 2026. So, this is what we hear from our clients, what they're focused on to differentiate. Actually, 80% of our executives stated they'll leverage technology and partners to solve these challenges and differentiate themselves. So I think the key is really identifying those partners, like Thomas, our digital marketing arm, Thomas Marketing Services, but also software solutions and automation solutions to drive innovation and serve your clients efficiently and help expose your differentiation to prospective clients. The number one thing manufacturers can do to ensure success in 2026 is streamline workflows. This reduces delays, it helps deliver high quality products to customers faster, and that's what we know they want. Increasing operational agility is one of the top strategic priorities for our executives, so this is already top of mind in the industry. But one key way to approach this is AI. 80% of our executives reported AI as an opportunity, and over 50% said they're implementing AI specifically in supply chain management and operations. So there's clear opportunities in leveraging technology, leveraging process improvement, and leveraging AI to streamline workflows. For industrial buyers, the Thomas Network offers over 500,000 supplier options across over 80,000 categories to meet whatever needs they have in building out their supplier base and supply chain resiliency. And that can be for reshoring efforts, improving lead times and quality, some of the key differentiators, or building out new product capabilities. And for our suppliers, they can list on thomasnet.com, which allows exposure to this high quality buyer traffic. And they can also leverage our digital marketing arm, Thomas Marketing Services, TMS, to help articulate their quality and delivery capabilities and their key differentiators. And that can be through revamped company logos, updated websites, and creating and executing SEM, SEO, and social media strategies. For almost 130 years, Thomas has connected industrial buyers and suppliers, and we're excited to continue to drive growth in this industry.